Welcome to IFAStories, where ancient wisdom meets modern storytelling. Step into the sacred world of Ifa, the Yoruba spiritual system, where every tale carries the power of divination, destiny, and deep cultural insight. Join us as we unravel the mysteries of the Orishas, the divine forces guiding our paths, Orunmila, the Erenmols, and many more. Each story is a bridge between the past and the present, weaving timeless lessons that inspire, enlighten, and transform. Embrace the wisdom, honor the tradition, and journey with us into the heart of Ifa. Subscribe now and let the stories guide you. To explore full Yoruba stories, Ifa teachings, and ancestral wisdom, visit our website, www.ifastories.com. Step into the sacred path for more resources and information. Second coming of Òfún Méjì to the earth. When he arrived on earth for the second time, he dedicated himself to the practice of the art of Ifa, specializing in the preparation of good luck amulets for people. Thus, it was said of him, Fun lo fun ènìyàn owo, fun lo fun ènìyàn omo, fun lo fun ènìyàn aya, which means that Òfún Méjì is responsible for providing help to people who desire the blessings of wealth, children, and marriage. He was a skillful benefactor in these matters. Despite this, he was despised and ridiculed by his people, who considered him to have fallen into disgrace. He, however, responded to these taunts by warning the people not to torment him unjustly, because he still had the means to bark and bite in response to provocation. Despite his warning, many arrogant ones continued to disrespect and torment him. He began to destroy those who were discrediting him. When the people began to feel the fury of his reaction, they started to fear him. Meanwhile, he decided to go for divination, where he was advised to abandon his aggressive stance. The Awo, Ifa priests, who performed the divination for him on this occasion were Afuye Omo Aje Iwonba Ile Lowo Ji Dideha Awo Agbado Elomon Biriti Bàbáláwo Edu. They told him to make sacrifice for peace, prosperity, wealth, and long life. They performed all the sacrifices for him, and eventually he became so wealthy that he ended up being made the Rogun of Iya Rogun. He also lived to a very old age. It was said, however, that his friend Akpena, who had married the crippled woman, eventually settled in Atagbolu, where the sanctuary still exists to this day.